does it mean to you?
So, in the beginning, Vishen was talking about in the beginning of Mind Valley how like inclusivity and authenticity is like a big thing here, and then the other one is autonomy. But like, I don't know if I would consider that global citizenship as much as just like being accepting of all kinds and just sort of taking people for who they are and not being afraid to show who you are too.
So connected to that, can you tell us a little bit of why you chose the piece for tonight and just whatever you want to share about it? And then I'm gonna
You won't be giving me questions anymore. I can just do my thing. Okay, so the song I chose is called Nothing But the Water. It's by an American artist named Grace Potter. And it's about how when she's like with water, basically water is kind of the representation of peacefulness and contentment and salvation for her. And it's just saying like, I've tried so many things and didn't really feel peace, but when I'm with the water, I feel good, basically. It is. So she's just telling me about the theme of this night, and a lot of the buzzwords she was kind of like reminded me of this song, so I just felt inspired to sing it.
So are you guys ready? Yeah, we can do that properly.
So at a certain point, I'm going to be doing a little bit of acapella stuff, so if you want to like clap to the beat with me, just like try to be on the beat with me if you can, that'd be awesome. Can you hear that okay?